Obaseki don receive the new commander for 4 Brigade Nigerian Army. Say make army collabo with Edo government to secure the state Wella. Governor for Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, come welcome the commander of 4 Brigade Nigerian Army, said them be part of the security architecture for Edo State, and come promise say them go continue to support them. He talk this one for one courtesy visit when officers for 4 Brigade Nigerian Army come do on Monday for Government House, Benin City. Obaseki talk say army must collaborate with government to help secure the state.
Our new commander of 4th Brigade, Brigadier General, if you hear me clearly, we call it our brigade. Because we see it as an integral, the brigade as an integral part of the security architecture of every state. So we want to work with you. And as you said in your brief remarks, your predecessor has briefed you that we have enjoyed tremendous support from the brigade for a very long time. We are fortunate we have a chief of staff who is continuing so he knows how we have operated. He knows the operations that we have carried out and we are due to undertake. He knows the other arms of the structure we have in place and the relationships with those other arms of the security plan. I want to assure you that you are home and you are many of your next door to us, and that you just see yourself as one of us. You come from a very distinguished background, just listening to all your accomplishments and promotions in areas of self-development. Clearly, you have become a very distinguished artist in the military. So we have no doubt that our commander is a thoroughbred, a very competent professional. And so we have no, in fact, our expectation is that the one that will be disturbing us. We use that kind of officer that says, no, this has not been done, this has not been done, this has not been done. That is what we are expecting, and I will be surprised if that is what we get. But for the rest of the team, like I said, we see them as part of us. And there are things we need to do. Just to hint you that we have made a commitment to come up barracks to help you fix certain blocks of accommodation. Also, the officers who are still in the room, we need to move because we need to clear the room and allow we attempted to please, if we have a share of the if we can provide everything and provide all that accommodation. On our parts, we are lucky. Coming at a time where you can just drive to Academy Barracks. Once upon a time, it was like going from Morocco to Spain. But the fact that we are working very hard to make sure that access also means that by opening that corridor, we rely on you to give us more support because of the waterways and some of the things that are there. Access. Yes, you've given us some men in the area. There's some additional oil exploration activity that's going on in that area. So we're calling for more support so that we can secure and plan. I want to thank you very much indeed, because I got a thank you. I'm sure this is the first sample of what is to come. And without speaking to you, I assured them that we will not relent and we will be consistent in use of which COVID and actions like this.
Brigadier General Dan Lamin Dahi, when be the new commander for 4 Brigade, come promise say him go do him best to improve the areas where him predecessor for stop.
Like I was introduced Brigadier General DH Dahi. I took over command of 4 Brigade on the 8th of August 2022. And you being the Chief Executive Officer of the State and Security Officer of the State, I deemed it necessary to come and introduce myself and also to pay homage as I am reporting into your state. My predecessor has told me a lot of how the state government has assisted the brigade and how we have been cooperating with other security agencies to cope with the security challenges in the state, especially during this trying period. I just want to assure you that I will always try to do my best, and I will continue from where my predecessor stopped, and will also try to improve upon where I stopped. Thank you, sir.
People will follow Governor Obaseki Tanda for this courtesy visit, and Chief of Staff to Edo State Government, Osaegbuwe Yoha, and some members of Edo State House of Assembly. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News.